Hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. So I'm heading out. So I'm just getting dressed to go out. The cold outside will not let me flaunt this my coconut head. Well, anyway, we thank God. I'm heading out. I'm going to meet up with my friend, one of my friend. We are heading to the place where they sell meat. We are heading to the slaughterhouse. It's actually there. We are going to buy the meat. It's more cheap. Yeah, the kilo is more cheap, and the meat is really nice. I would think it's nicer than the one they have in the store here. Stronger and more sweet. I would say that. So I'm headed there this afternoon. So I'm going to meet up with my friends. I've said earlier. So let me just start my vlog. And I'm putting on my shoes and talk to you guys while I go ahead. Okay? I'll see you guys when I'm outside or when I'm in the car with my friends. Yeah. All right, guys. Bye. Hi guys. So I'm back in the house. The place. The crowd we met on that place was a lot. We took longer than expected. We just arrived home. This is just guess it. We arrived at 8:30. This is 8:30. From 4 o'clock till now. We arrived at 4:30 to 5. Yes, but there was a lot of crowd there. Then I'm about to make dinner for the family. So let me gist with you guys before I go ahead to make dinner this evening. I just make some vegetables so we can eat it with white rice. All right, let's go to the kitchen. This is carrot, broccoli, onions, and spinach, and red bay pepper. That's all. I'm using it for rice. So I just want to cook. Once it's overdone, just cook it a little.
Yogi, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did love me, but
the next day.
only sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
This is what I'm wearing. This is my shirt. I've had it for like 5 years now, and it's very nice for this coat because of the neck. And this is my trousers. I've had it for like 4 years now. I've not wear it, so I decided just to pair them together today. And this is my army gray canvas that one of my friends gifted me. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking like. So I'm going to pair it with this my black jacket. So let me style it. So this is me looking like this. 10/10 minus nothing. Bye guys, I'm ready. So I'm heading out now. I'm going to take bus, me and my baby. So let me talk to you guys before I go to bus stop. I will see you guys later when I'm in the big supermarket to get ornaments and lights for the Christmas tree. So I get few things for the house too. You know, if you go out, you can never go and buy what you go there for directly and come back. You must get something. Anyway, I will see you guys later in the store or when we are in the bus. Bye guys, so we are here. Just take a good look at this place. So cute. Let me show you properly. Look at that. Christmas everywhere. I kind of like this year. Oh, it's It's so cute. Look at these stars.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Bello pull ni kàn mí anything. Hi guys, good evening. We are back in the house. Yes, I want to show you guys all the things that I got that I'm going to use to decorate my Christmas tree. And I went ahead and got a few things for the house. Just hold on, let me show you guys. It's already all of them are behind me here. So I bought this. This is oven breakable plate. Yeah, oven breakable plate. And I got this for the Christmas tree. I love this. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And this hanger is a multi-function hanger. Is it hanger? Yes. And I got this spoon set. Yes, this you can use to measure your flowers, your salt, anything you want to make. Just it's a lot. I think they have each portion have 4. And I got this to pick potato. Solid of them. So, and this my oven breakable plate. So if in case you want to bake lasagna or chicken, you can put your chicken inside and put it in your oven. It's really nice. I have not had it since we moved to this home, so I just got one for myself. So moving on, I got this top for Christmas tree, this beautiful star, because I'm doing gold this year. last 2 years I think I did silver. This year we are doing gold. This is the top, and normal the Christmas tree that we know now, the lights, all the ornaments. So I got 4 of this. I'll be 5. This is my favorite. I love all of them. This is my favorite. And I got this one is it's like this. When you finally turn it on, you use battery. It's like this. It will look like this. So it's just so cute. So I think the rest are in the bag though, but I cannot show you. I just want to show you one out of each. I got some of them. Got 2, some I got 1, some I got 2. This one is actually 2 of it, and this one is 2, and the other one is 2. I got 2 of it for the case of a case if this one is not enough. This one we have a I got few things. I've already arranged in the kitchen. Some dash to wash clothes. I got biscuits for Naira and some baby food for Naira, and chicken, potato, all those stuff you saw in the video. So guys, I just want to say this before I end this vlog. The way time is now, the way things are so expensive in this world that we are now, if you are that person who never appreciates anyone when somebody gifted you something, this is the era for you to learn how to appreciate. Yes, I will say, because it's almost Christmas. I know some of us, mostly we in Europe, we put it upon ourselves and we put it to ourselves that we must make our family happy. Yes, we must make our family happy. We do everything. Sometimes we drive ourselves of many things just to make that sacrifice to make our family happy, to send money back home. If somebody gifted you this time 5,000 naira, you need to appreciate that person because it's not easy. The way things are expensive in this Europe today, some of us have to deny our children some kind things so that we could have that money to send to you for this Xmas celebration. Believe it or take it. You need to learn how to appreciate, not when you receive anything from your siblings, your friends from Europe. You can't even give them a message and say, thank you, I really appreciate. You will not tell them that you have received it. After receiving it, you just shut everyone out. Let to appreciate. It goes a long way for that person. Yeah, because he or she put a lot of sacrifice to make sure that money is available for it to send it down to you. Please, even you in Europe, if somebody give you 5 euro at time, as this time now, this year now, from January till now December, and you did not, let's say, hey, what you do for me, my brother, shut up. Tell am thank you, because to get 5 euro is not easy. So people work for 1 hour for that 5 euro. Believe it or leave it. Yeah. So let to appreciate someone for the good they did for you, for what they give to you, be small or big. It go a long way. Don't wear up more say or when I win your way. If you are not a Benin, look for a Benin person to translate for you. All right, my people, I love you guys. Still your girl is. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.